Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from JEE Main 2025, second appraise shift second. Two water drops each of radius of r collapse to form a bigger drop. If T is the surface tension, then surface energy released in this process is. So student, this is basic question from surface tension that two drops each of radius small r are collapsed and form a bigger drop of radius capital R. Their surface tension is T and surface tension also T of bigger drops. So in this process volume remain constant. Volume is same in process. Therefore volume of two bigger drops 2 into 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. So 4 by 3 pi is cancelled from here. So 2 R cube is capital R cube. Therefore from here R cube equal to 2 R cube or R equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3 into R. Okay. Now change in radius or change in area, change in surface area. So surface area is initially 2 into 4 pi r square minus 4 pi capital R square. Surface area of two drops minus surface area of single drops, which is bigger. So taking common as 4 pi 2 r square minus r square. From here r square is 2 to the power 2 by 3 r square. Putting this value 4 pi 2r square equal to 2 to the power 2 by 3 into r square. Here r square is common, so 4 pi r square 2 minus 2 to the power 2 by 3. So this is the change in surface area. Now work done or energy released. Energy released in this process equal to T into del A. So T into del A is 4 pi r square 2 minus 2 to the power 2 by 3 into T. So T is the surface tension. So this is the energy released when two small drops collapse each other to form a bigger drop. So from these options answer is 4 pi r square 2 minus 2 to the power 3 by 2 by 3 into T. C is the correct answer of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.